Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can send money in Moneygram app. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Moneygram application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. And after that, you will be redirected to the main page of the app. Here, all of your account assets information will be present. Now to send money, just scroll down a little bit and tap on the send dialog box. Then you just have to select the amount you want to send, like $100. And after that, you just need to select your receiver country. A currency exchange rate may apply. MoneyGram makes money from currency exchange. The last thing you need to do is just select your payment method, and it can be a debit card, it can be an online banking, just whatever you like. And then like the faster you want. The faster you want it, the bigger the fees usually, then you just select that. And then you can just add your receiver. What you need to do is just add the legal first name, legal last name. So these two things should be required, listed on ID and United Kingdom, and then mobile number, and then just proceed further with the instructions, and that's it. This is basically how you can send money in MoneyGram. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.